Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s minus number 1. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides. This one you got number 1. This one you got number 1. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. Next we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 3, so we put number 3 gone here, so u equals to number 2. When s equals to number 5, so we put number 5 gone here, so u equals to number 4. So this one we change for number 2. This one that is about number 4. This one that is about u. This one that is about u. The s that is about the u. So the integration of this one that is about Ln of the absolute value of u. The integration of negative 1 over u squared that is about positive 1 over u. And then we put the bounds from number 2 to number 4. And now we put number 4 and number 2 gone here. So now we need to simplify it. So we have the formula in here. So we can apply this one into this one. So we can calculate this one, and we have negative 1 over number 4. This one we have number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.